Welcome to the Kids Zone channel. Children, I am going to tell you now the multiplication of two-digit number with regrouping. First, we have to regroup in ones. Multiply 14 and 6. So, multiply ones digit, that is 6 into 4, 24. So, 24 ones. So, regroup 24 as 2 tens and 4 ones. Write 4 in the ones place and 2 in tens place above the numbers. So multiply tens digit. So 6 into 1 is 6 tens. So add 2 tens, which is regrouped. 6 tens plus 2 tens is 8 tens. So write 8 in the tens place. Okay, so 14 into 6 is 84. 84 is the answer, children. Okay, let's go to the other regrouping in tens. Multiply 62 and 3. That is, you have to multiply ones digit. 62 into 3. 3 twos are 6. And so 3 into 2 ones is 6 ones. Write 6 in ones place. Okay. Then next, let's go to the multiply the tens. 3 into 6 tens is 18. 18 tens will come. So, 18 tens must be regrouped as 108 tens. So, write 8 in tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. Okay, so 62 into 3 is 186. You have to regroup like this, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, children. Then let's go to the regrouping in ones and tens. Both ones and tens. Okay, ones and tens. Multiply 43 and 6. So, multiply ones digit. 6 into 3 ones is 18. So, 18 ones. So, write 8 in the ones place. And write 1 in the tens place above the numbers. Multiply tens digit. 6 into 4 tens. 4 is 24 tens. So add 1 10 which is regrouped. 24 tens plus 1 10 is 25 tens. So regroup 25. We have to regroup 25. So 25 tens should be regrouped as 2 hundreds plus 5 tens. So write 5 in the tens place and 2 in the hundreds place. So 43 into 6 is 258. This is the answer. Okay, let's go to the examples. Here 27 into 3, 3 into 7, 81. So 1 we should write in the ones place and 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 we have, which is regrouped, we have to add it. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 27 into 3 is 81. The next one, 58 into 1. 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 5 is 5. So 8 ones and 5 tens. So 58 into 1 is 58. So 63 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 6 is 18. So we have to regroup as 8 in tens digit and 1 in the hundreds digit. So 63 into 3 is 189. Let's go to the next sum. 71 into 6. 6 into 6 is 6 ones. 6 into 7 is 42 will come. So 42 we have to regroup it as 2 tens. So tens digit we have to write 2 and in hundreds digit we have to write 4. So 426 is the answer. 71 into 6 is 426. Then next, let's go to the next sum. 70 into 4. 4 into 0 is 0. Anything into 0 is this 0. 4 into 7 in tens digit, 28 will come. So we have to regroup it as 8 tens we have to write tens digit 8 and 2 we have to write in hundreds digit. So the answer is 70 into 4 is 280. Next, next sum 92 into 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 9 is 36. So ones digit 8. And we have to regroup it as 36 as 6 in tens digit and 3 in hundreds digit. So 92 into 4 is 368. 4 into 9 is 36. Then next, let's go to the next sum. 482 into 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So, once digit 8 and 8 into 4 is 4 into 8 is 32. So, we have to regroup it as 2 tens. So, 2 we have to write in tens digit and 3 we have to write in hundreds digit. So, 328 is the answer. Then next sum 15 into 5. So, we have to regroup it as 5 into 5 is 25. So, 5 we have to write here and 2 we must write in the tens digit. You have to regroup like this. 5 in ones and 2 in tens. So, 5 into 1 is 5. So, we have to add 5 plus 2 is 7. So, 75 is the answer. 15 into 5 is 75. Then next sum 79 into 5. 5 into 9 is 45. So, ones digit we have to write 5 in ones and 4 in tens we have to regroup it. And we have to multiply 5 into 7. 5 into 7 is 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. So, we have to regroup it as 39 as 9 in tens and 3 in hundreds. So, the answer is 395. Then next sum 83 into 6. 6 into 3 is 18. So, we have to regroup 18 as 8 in ones and 1 in tens. So, then next digit 6 into 8, 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. So, 49 means you have to regroup it as 9 in tens and 4 in hundreds. So, 49. You have to regroup it like this and 83 into 6 answer is 498. The next sum 28 into 3. 3 8s are 24. So, we have to regroup it as 24. 4 in ones and 2 in tens. So, 4 you have to write in ones and 2 in tens. 3 into 2 is 6. So, 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So, we have to write in tens 84. 28 into 3 is 84. The next one 95 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So, we have to regroup 25 as 5 in ones and 2 in tens. So, 5 we have to write in ones and 2 we have to write in tens. So, 5 into 9 is 45. Multiplication 5 into 9. 45 plus 2 is 47 it will come. So, I have to regroup it as 7 in tens and 4 in hundreds. So, you should write it as 95 into 5 is 475. Okay children, make use of this basic maths channel children. If you like this channel, press the like button and subscribe to this channel children. Thank you children.